My name's Julie, and I'm been on the 30-day, and I don't think I'll ever go back to the way I ate before, ever. I definitely will not go back and have dairy and meat, and I'm not confused anymore. I know what to do. It used to be overwhelming for me to try to decide how to eat. I knew there was better food out there than what I was eating and what I was taking in. But it was like, it's expensive, and am I worth it? And CARES made me realize that I am worth it, that my body is the most expensive piece of equipment I'm ever going to own. And I could feel a decline on the inside. I look okay on the outside, but I could feel things breaking down on the inside, like some arthritis. It's been bothering me for years. And I didn't know quite how to grasp all the information that's out there. Anyway, she's put it into a form that I can use, assimilate, and succeed with.